if you wanna see some wet.
I'll be talking all this time with somebody on my teeth. Oh, I hope not. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with... Today we're gonna do a full face of Huda Beauty. If you'd like to see a full face of Huda Beauty, then please keep on watching. Just done one eye off camera. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, which I love, is in the shade White. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. This is gonna be my transition color. I'm gonna firstly go dark reddy shade. I'm gonna go with this dark brown to further deepen that crease. Let me put some lip balm because my lips are hella dry. Much better. I'm going to use cut crease canvas to cut the crease again. Crease, I'm now going to use this shade, this middle shade, set that concealer that we've just used. I'm gonna go with like the tiniest pencil brush. I'm gonna take that dark shade and I'm gonna darken that crease. I love doing this because I feel like I can get it really crispy. This shade, and I'm gonna put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna take the darker shade and I'm gonna just darken the end. I'm just gonna blend that out. So I'm going to go with this shade to put at the very front. Done the eyes. I also got the eyeliner, which is like 2-in-1. One side is liquid, the other side is like a coal matte liner. Gonna put some mascara, which is the Maybelline in New York mascara. And for lashes today, I'm gonna be using OJAY Beauty in the style ARIA number 2. They're quite wispy and quite like natural. I just couldn't justify paying like £16 for a pair of lashes from Huda Beauty. I am loving the eyes. Them shadows are really hard to blend. Like, I just found it so hard. I finally got it to look, you know, semi-cute. However, eyeliner, love it. And I'm gonna go in with my Full Filter foundation in the shade Cocoa Bean. It's definitely full coverage. I don't know if I like this smell. It's so like, it's very like fabric softener kind of smell. I definitely like that. I love that. That is a 10 out of 10. Going in with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. I don't like this applicator thing. I feel like it's just a bit fussy. Like, I'm trying to just get straight to the point. Beauty blender again to blend it out. It dries really quickly, but I'm not mad. I got the Rich Tantour Contour Bronzer Cream, the shade Rich. I'm trying to apply it with a brush. I love that. I feel like I needed like a different type of contour because I've been using Fenty. My nose looks snatched. Stop. Stop! Nose contour, are you dumb? How to lose 20 pounds real quick. Am I exaggerating, or this contour's a 10 out of 10? The shade, the application, the snatching of the nose. Like Huda Beauty, you knew what you was doing when you was making this contour, because Fenty Beauty who? Nah, I'm joking. I love Fenty Beauty. Nah, I'm actually joking. But this contour, I'm loving this. I'm honestly apart from the eyeshadow, everything else has just been a 10 out of 10. Let's move on. Setting powders. I got two shades. One is in the shade Cinnamon Bun and the other is in the shade Coffee Cake. I go with the Cinnamon Bun where I've highlighted. Back with the brush that had the contour just to give it a fresher. It's got nothing on it, but I'm just gonna Revolution Pro Supreme Setting Spray to set my face. Highlighter, which I've used quite a bit. Huda Beauty 3D Highlight Palette. This one's a cream. And then the rest are like cream powder. I'm gonna go with this shade. And it's just like a gold. Love a bit of glow. I'm gonna use the other side to like my bottom. Oh my god, it's so easy to use. This shade. I didn't get a Huda Beauty lip liner, so I'm gonna use my MAC Chestnut. And I got the Huda Beauty lipstick. Let me show you. Packaging is beautiful. It's just matte. And it's this the lipstick in the shade Staycation. It's a proper nude, which I like, but I just don't feel like it goes with his makeup look. Pick up a bit of these two shadows and see what I can do. So guys, this is the finished look. The beauty, baby girl. The products bang, they bang. So I'm just gonna talk through all the products and I'm gonna try not to forget any. Okay, let's start. Eyeshadow. I just found it so hard to blend. I literally tried to do my eyeshadow like 3 times. Now that it's done, it's nice, it's proper pigmented, but I just found it so hard to blend. So for £25, would I recommend this? Babes, I just, eyeliner is a bit of me. I think it's liquid, but it's not like drippy. It's like sticky, so you kind of have to like drag it, and I feel like it makes it easier because like you can map out where you want the liner. And like the pencil side, it's really good. Literally just glide on a tiny bit and it's on. But I think the fact that it's 2 in 1, you literally can't go wrong. Like for traveling or going away, I think this is great. Secondly, foundation, love it, love the way it glides on. Concealer, pretty good shade, love it. My laugh lines are not too bad. I'm gonna be honest, it's creased a tiny little bit. It's not bad at all. Like setting powders, love them. And I feel like you get so much as well. Like you're actually paying for what you get. You're actually getting what you pay for. You're actually getting what you pay for. So I think the favorite thing in this look was the contour. Like, oh my days, this is definitely my new bae. I will be rinsing the hell out of this contour. This is a bit of me. Highlighter, can't go wrong. I love it. See, can't complain. Nothing bad to say about it, you know. I'm absolutely glowing and glistening. I love the lipstick. I think for this look, it just didn't really go. I bought it that shade. I felt like I needed like a cool tone nude in my collection, so it doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel like there's too much on my lips. And I think that's all. I'm absolutely obsessed with this face, and it's literally 10:30 and I've got work tomorrow morning, and I just wish I was going out with this face. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got till the end, stay safe, stay blessed. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.